Wow, Terra Classic community have now destroyed 76 billion tokens of Terra Classic. This is amazing. Starting from May 18, 2022, that was last year, okay, Luna have destroyed over 76 billion coins. It means by 2024, May 18, today is almost, we're getting towards the end of November, for enter December, January, February, March, April, May. So this means 1.5 years, Luna has been able to destroy 76 billion coins by the community, and I believe by the time it completes 2 years, we're hoping for Terra Classic to burn at least 90 to 100 billion coins. If they can achieve 100 billion coins in 2 years, though we all know that it's not much for a coin like Terra Classic, but at least it still remains a progress, okay? It's a progress for me because we all thought Terra Classic by now will be ranked among the top 200 or top 300 crypto coins. But the coin still fight its way to remain among the top 100, top 80, top 90 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now, another thing that Terra Classic community are also trying to make sure it happens is to push the USTC coin, okay? The Classic USTC coin to $1. Yes, they want this coin to hit $1 for one coin. Yeah, you remember it's a stable coin, and reaching $1 to one coin, many people will still make huge amount of profit from this coin because some people have already purchased these coins, believing by the time you hit that $1, some people have over 1 million coins of this. Some people bought this coin at the rate of 3 cents, and they believe by the time you get to $1, they are going to make huge profit. So at the same time that they're pushing this coin to reach $1, they're also believing that by the end of 2024 or by the end of 2025, they want to make sure that Terra Classic hits over 500%, especially end of next year, 2024, which I know that it will be difficult, but let's say in 2025, there's a possibility Luna can hit over 500% or more before the end of 2025, which is the dream of Terra Classic community. But for now, Terra Classic community are able to destroy over 76 billion coins of Luna. Yes, they believe that they are going to burn more, and Terra Classic is still going to remain among the top crypto coins. So let's watch and see. And for me, invest on Terra Classic is good, but don't invest much. Just invest a little amount of money on Terra Classic. Then forget about it and leave it for years. You might be surprised what will happen, okay? You might be surprised. So let's keep hoping for the best, and let's keep on supporting Terra Classic. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Please can you subscribe to our channel because we'll be releasing so many videos on how to earn from home, on how to earn finance money in your account directly from home. Once again, thank you for stopping by.